Anhui Suntay Heavy Industries与 Mechanical Manufacture Co., Ltd. is located at Bonn Economic Development Zone, Ma'anshan of Steel City. The company covers an area of about 25,000 square meters, with a production workshop of more than 10,000 square meters, and now has more than 50 sets of various processing equipment. Our company is professionally engaged in sheet metal production devices like CNC press brake, laser cutting machine, shearing machine, iron worker, grooving machine. The devices are widely adopted in the professional production field, like sheet metal, machinery, aviation. The product quality remains in a high level stably, and after years of development, the company has been ahead of other companies in China due to the advanced sheet metal forming machine technology. Suntay adheres to technology leading strategy, aims at being the top-tier supplier of machinery and solution in the world, and persists in innovation. With years of exploration and effort, ARUD group oriented by technology center is established step by step, which contains many domestic and international professionals who work in the departments of development, production, market and after-sale to offer best solutions to customers. Suntay places much value on quality, timely delivery and quick service, holding the motto of quality coming first, credit standing paramountcy. We sincerely welcome the friends, both at home and abroad, for cooperation and mutual development.